Hey, this is May 21st, I believe. And May 20th, this really bad F5 hit more, and it hit our neighborhood. And I'm going to show you some of the debris and some of the bad houses that have been hit. So this is what it looks like outside. Some of it's picked up already, some of it's not. There's a lot of debris everywhere. We have a place on our house where you'll see it, there's a tarp up there and it's gotten hit. We also have a window that was knocked out, and that is right over here.
Right there. Not over there.
So there's also, our street got hit worse in the cul-de-sac than it did across on our side. So this is also the debris. That's wood sticking out of their roof.
We're just taking a video of.
I'm gonna go down the street a little so you can see the debris too. It's not any cars. There's a bunch of debris.
Wow!
Jason,
There's some debris on the truck.
Huh?
A lot of.
There's some debris up on that truck. Okay.
Here's the gloves. Do you think gloves?
And if you go to the top of, okay, just hold on a moment. If you go to the top of one of the hills in our neighborhood, you can see the debris path. It's bad, really, really bad. So this is some of our neighbors' houses. They got theirs cleaned pretty fast.
Mommy, are you going for a walk?
That's our neighbor's fence.
Brian's fence.
They got it really bad.
Yeah.
This is some down the street. I'm gonna go to the end of the street. I'm gonna go to the end of the street so you can see some houses that really got hit. You'll be able to kind of see them, but they're kind of way far back there in my camera. So, but this is gonna be these are some of the houses that have been some hit. Way down the street. Like, we were so fortunate. God bless America. Some of the American flags are still standing in the park, and there was one in somebody's yard that got hit way down the street, and it's really bad. So. Hey, Dad, will you? Dad! Their house got hit some. That's their truck over here. The truck is hit really bad. Hold on just a second. Some of their house. See, these houses have just been damaged a little bit. As you get out of the street.
You can get out of your way. Really? Both?
So it's really bad. I'm gonna take some more video of down the street in a minute too. So it's really bad. So I'm gonna take some debris in a minute.